Your dream is to study in Xavier's College in 2025. So, guys, we're going to talk about Xavier's College in detail. What are the programs Xavier's College offers? How you take admission? What are the entrance exam? How much you should be scoring in your 12th standard? And this video is about UG program admission in Xavier's College. That's why I'm saying 12. I'll be coming up for the 10th standard students as well कि 10th के बाद Xavier's में कैसे admission लेना है. So make sure कि आप subscribe करके रख लो. But talking about the UG program, what are the programs that they are offering, entrance exam कौन से courses के लिए हैं, कैसे prepare करना है, क्या करना है, सारी detail, admission related, also the courses and the fees I'll share in this video. Guys, make sure that you watch the video till the end. So guys, let's talk about the courses that Xavier's College offers in UG. और क्या आप अगर मुंबई से नहीं हो, महाराष्ट्र से नहीं हो, तो आप यहाँ अप्लाई कर सकते हो, क्योंकि बच्चे अक्सर ये सवाल पूछते हैं. यस, आप डेफिनेटली अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग द कोर्सेज, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू गाइज दैट Xavier's कॉलेज इज अ माइनॉरिटी कॉलेज. मतलब कि इट्स एन कैथलिक इंस्टीट्यूट जहाँ पे कैथलिक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए 50% रिजर्वेशन होता है. कोई भी कोर्सेज जो आप अप्लाई करते हो, कैथलिक स्टूडेंट्स को प्रायोरिटी मिलती है. सो इफ यू आर अ कैथलिक स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम anywhere in India, yes, you get that reservation. But now talking about कि entrance exam में या फिर course में कैसे क्या मिलता है, guys, it's a very simple process. जो merit लगती है तो minority students के लिए और open category students के लिए, other boards के लिए, ये सारे जो है bifurcated आपकी list लगती है. So the merit is announced category wise और seats भी उस तरीके से divided होती है. Now let's come back to the courses, and this is from the official website, guys, because I don't believe in saying random things. I always tell you to refer to the official website, because जब आप Google पे जाके सर्च करोगे ना, बेस्ट BBA कॉलेजेस, वहाँ पे भी Xavier's आ जाएगा, बेस्ट BSc कॉलेज, वहाँ पे भी Xavier's आ जाएगा. जबकि ऐसे कुछ कोर्सेज है जो शायद Xavier's ऑफर ही नहीं करता, वो भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. So I don't want you to get confused. I want you to refer to the official website. Now let's go to the website. यहाँ पे कोर्सेज एंड एडमिशन पे आपको डिग्री में जाना है, अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्स टैब पे क्लिक करना है. यू विल सी देयर इज BA, there is BAF, there is BAMCJ, which is BMM Mass Media, then BCom, then there is BSc, then there is BSc IT and BMS. These are the only UG courses जो कि Xavier's offer करता है. So I hope that is clear. Please do let me know in the comment box below कि आप ये clear हो. Also guys, I do one-on-one consultation for admission, career counseling. So if you want to get in touch with me personally, clear any doubts that you have, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number or you can mail us. My team will get back to you with all the details. Now talking about the courses, यहाँ पे जो आपको मैंने courses बताए और you can see on my screen currently, you just have to give entrance for 2025 for BAMCJ, which is Mass Media. Second is your BMS, जो कि अभी हो गया है BCom Management Studies and BSc IT. So only for these three courses they have entrance exam, which is XET, Xavier's Entrance Test. इस पे मैंने काफी सारे वीडियोस बनाए हैं, कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, what is the syllabus. You can also join our crash course which will be starting in January. You can connect us on the same WhatsApp number. My team will share the details for the crash course as well. Now coming back to क्या BA, BAF, then your BCom, then your regular BSc, इनके लिए कोई entrance exam नहीं है. But 2025 में अगर supposedly they will announce and BAF का entrance, I'll keep you guys posted. But as of now, till date, till 2024, there were entrance for only 3 courses. Now there's always a suggestion from me, guys. BCom जो है Xavier's College में is not like a regular college, it's an evening college. So if you're thinking कि Xavier's में admission मिल रहा है, BCom मिल गया, ले लेना चाहिए कि नहीं ले लेना चाहिए, आपकी choice होगी, but it's an evening college, so you don't have a regular system. Your college starts at 5 o'clock in the evening. That's why आप cut off भी देखोगे ना, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा differ करता है compared to other courses. So yes, I would not advise BCom. अगर आप top college में जाना चाहते हो तो you have lot of other good colleges for BCom compared to Xavier's, because I don't want you to go to an evening college where you don't have a regular routine like others. BA and BSc, they are doing really good. BSc is an average review that they have, regular BSc. BSc IT is doing superb with the placement, with the kind of exposure and everything. BA is awesome. BMS, which is BCom Management Studies, I will soon go to the campus and give you the reviews, so stay tuned for that. BMM is again doing awesome, which is your BA MCJ. Now, if you want to know about the cutoff, guys, when we say their BA, the cutoff goes 98 for general students. The reason is there's an in-house quota. Now, in-house quota में 50% वहाँ पे भर जाता है. Then Catholics reservation is there. So for open category student and for the general students, it is rarely any seats left. That's why the percentage or the cutoff is really high for BA students. For FY BA, the admission process is pretty simple. It is on your 12th standard marks. The total number of seats that they have is 360. As you can see on my screen, 50% reservation, 15% your management quota, then you have person with disability category. ये सारा जो data है is there on their website, so you will be able to see everything on the website itself. And when you talk about the stats, without stats, the fees is 13,971. FYBA with statistics 15,471. This is your fees, like FYBA से लेके TYBA तक की आपकी पूरी जो fees है 24-25 is already there, so you can check the fees as well. So this is for FYBA information. और रही बात specialization की, you guys get a counseling session once you get your name in the merit list, and there you have to choose the subject, and as they follow NEP, you will have to choose your major, minor. That happens after you get your name in the merit list. वहाँ पे आप subjects choose कर सकते हो. Now coming to your BAF. As BAF is a self-finance course, their fees is much higher. In FY, you are paying 75,000 and SY, your fees is reduced to 49,500, and same with TY. So for BAF, if you want to see their syllabus, it's there on the same link. So all this detail, as I said, is there on their website, as you can see on my screen. So that is what you can refer to. Now talking about your BAMCJ, they have total number of seats, it's 120. Again, reservation categories are the same. 50% to the Catholics, then there is management quota, then the fees is 75,000 for the first year and 52,000 for the rest of the 2 years. So this is how you can check all of their bifurcation that they have. Now coming to BCom, they have 240 seats, same reservation and the criteria divided. Fees is 13,971 for the first year and 7,000 for the respective year. For BSc, Xavier's College has got 360 seats. The fees is 14,771. Guys, there is no entrance exam for BSc. As I said, please do let me know in the comment box below where are you stuck, because I am trying to simplify and tell you as much as I can for all the courses that we are probably talking about. When you go to BSc IT is a self-finance course and they have 60 seats only. Similar to BAF, they have 60 seats, and then you have to give XCT. For BAF, you don't have to as of now, but for BSc IT, you have to give an entrance exam. The fees is 65,000 for the first year and 52,000 for the respective 2 years. And last, talking about BMS. Now, BMS has become BCom Management Studies, जो कि उन्होंने अपने website पे update नहीं किया है as of now, but I'm sure that within few months they will do that. Talking about their fees, they have updated, which is 75,000, and talking about the seats, they have 120 seats. For BMS, the colleges that have accepted AICT norm, they are taking CET, but for Xavier's, they are still taking XCT, and next year also it will be XCT. As I said, for crash course, for counseling, for admission process, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number. I hope, guys, the video was informative. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.